Now in this video we're going to discuss about the complementary angles and supplementary angles. So what is first, let's talk about first complementary angles. Alright, suppose I have here one angle, something like this. Suppose this is a certain angle, suppose 30 degree. Alright, and now one more angle I'm going to draw here now from the same origin. Alright, something like this. Okay, and if this angle is 60 degree, so these two angles together are making 90 degree. So any two angles whose sum is 90 degree are known as complementary angles. Okay, any two angles, suppose one is x degree and another is y degree, and if they are going to form 90 degree, then this x as well as y, both angles are known as complementary angles. Complementary angles. Sometime we may discuss something like this, like what is the complementary angles of 35. So what we'll say, the complementary angles of 35 is 90 degree minus 35 degree, that is 55 degree. So complementary angles of 35 degree is 55 degree. Similarly, if someone is asking you what is the complementary angles of 20 degree, so complementary angles of 20 degree is actually 90 degree minus 20 degree, that is 70 degree. In picture, if you want to see, it is something like this. Suppose this is your 20 degree, alright, and you need to make 90 degree. So complete should be 90 degree. So complete 90 degree. So how much is the angle of this? So 90 degree minus 20 degrees, that is 70 degrees. So this part should be 70 degree. Alright, then only we can say that 70 degree is the complementary angle of 20 degree. Similarly, I want to give you one more example. Alright, suppose this is your now suppose 80 degree. Alright, this is your 80 degree, and I'm asking what is the complementary angle of this 80 degree. Then what is the value of this you need to find out, because this all together to be complementary angles, the sum must be 90 degree. So together, suppose this is x degree. Alright, so 80 degree plus x degree, together they should form 90 degree. So now my x degree will be 90 degree minus 80 degree, that is 10 degree. So my complementary angle of the 80 degree is 10 degree. Alright, this is all about the complementary angles. Now let's go about the supplementary angles. Alright, now suppose I have a pretty straight line, and everybody know that straight lines also forms the angles. Alright, because straight line is itself, suppose if I'm taking this point, and if I'm going to measure with my protractor, then I will get this total 180 degree. And if I'm going to draw any angle in this, alright, suppose here like this, alright, and the measurement of this angle is, suppose this is 40 degree. Alright, so what will be the measure of this? Now see, what will be the measure of this? Altogether it was 180, so how much it will be? It will be 180 minus 40 degree, that's going to be 140 degree. So this part is my 140 degree. So again, same like complementary angles, sum of the two angles, whenever if sum of the two angles is 180 degree, then such two angles are known as supplementary angles. Such angles are known as supplementary angles. So just in supplementary angle, just you have to remember two angles whose sum is 180 degree. Suppose here x degree and y degree is altogether 180 degree, then that time this x and y are called supplementary angles. Alright, and in another way, if you see, like this is your pretty straight line, and suppose this is your angle, you say 30 degree. So what is the supplementary angle of 30 degree? So this part, alright, what is this angle? We need to find out. The complete angle is 180, right? This complete angle is 180. So how you will find out this? You'll just subtract 180 minus 30 degree, that's 150 degree. So supplementary angle of 30 degree is 150 degree. So if I'm asking you orally, what is the supplementary angle of 95? So supplementary of 95, supplementary angle of 95 will be simple 180 degree minus 95 degree. So how much you gonna get? You're gonna get 5, and then this will be 17 minus 9, so this is 85. So 85 is the supplementary angle of 95. Similarly, if there is 100 degree, then pretty straight, that is 180 degree minus 100 degree. Alright, that is 80 degrees. So supplementary angle of 100 is 80 degree, or 80 degrees supplementary angle is 100. So these are supplementary angles. 90 and 85 is also supplementary angles. So this is all about supplementary angles. So simply what I mean to say, if two angles sum is 90 degree, then such angles are called complementary, and if two angles have the sum 180 degree, then such angles are called supplementary angles. Alright, catch you in the next video. Goodbye.